Hello, children. Nowadays, due to the online classes, you are asked to submit your copy work in the form of a PDF file. Today, I'll show you a very easy and a quick method by which you can create that PDF file using your Android phone and send it to either WhatsApp or Classroom or even mail. Now, in order to start the process, we need to download a scanner app, an app that will scan the document which you want to send. Now, I have actually tried with many apps like Adobe, Cam Scanner, and a few more, but realized that there are a few issues with it. But finally found an app named Kagas Scanner, which is very convenient, gives a very clear copy, does not have any advertisements also. So it's very nice. Okay. And if you want to use your classroom through phone, then in that case, just download the Google Classroom app too. So now let's get started as to how we need to do that. For which, let me just share my screen. Now I'll show you the app. You can see it here. This is the app which I'm talking about, the Kagas scanner. It's there on the top right corner of my mobile screen. And just below that, I have the Classroom app installed. So you can just go to your Play Store and write Kagas scanner, right? And this way you will get this app which you can easily install. Okay. Now, once it's done, the next thing is that I need to show you how to start with the creation of the PDF file. Okay. So for that, I actually take up a notebook, my child's copy actually. So certain pages, I will try to create them into a PDF file. So let's get started. I go to my camera and here you can see that there are a few pages which I am seeing. Okay. So basically, I don't need the camera, I'm sorry. I need to go to the scanner directly. Fine. So this is how it gets started. And just let's start with this plus button on the right hand side corner of the screen. Okay. So let's start with this. And here it shows you the place to scan. Fine. So you just keep your phone camera on and you start scanning. So click on the center button, the camera button. So it's processed my first image. Go to the second one. Similarly, go to the third one. And you can just keep on doing so as many number of pages you want to scan. Okay. Now there's some worksheets, so let me do that too. Okay, fine. Now on the screen itself, you see there's a proceed button on the right hand side corner of your scanner app. So proceed will actually make this into a complete one file. Okay, so I just click on that. And now it gives you the option to check out that whether the scanning has been done properly or not. If you want to just change your dimensions a little bit extra, you can do that. Otherwise, just keep on clicking next. So here I see that a lot of area has been scanned. So I just try to reduce that. That will help me reduce the size of the file also. So do not scan unnecessary part. I mean, keep unnecessary part and just resize it whichever way you want to. Fine. And just keep on doing it one after the other. And once it's done, then you get the option to complete, and that's with this done button. Again, right hand side corner, bottom corner, it says this green circular button, done. So now it's loading the thing for me. And page wise, my scan is ready. So I just click on this tick yes button. Okay. And now it shows me all the scans which I've done earlier. And at the top, it has my current scan. You can see that. Now here I have this 3 buttons. One is for downloading the file, one is for sharing, and one is for delete. So I want to share it immediately. So I go for share button. When I say click on that, it says that you want to share it as images or you want to share it as PDF. So I want to share it as PDF because that's very convenient for even the teacher to see. And if you want to put it on the WhatsApp or you want to put it on the classroom, you can choose that particular option. As of now, let me WhatsApp it to supposingly Urvashi ma'am. So here you can see that the thing has been done. Okay, if I open this file, you could have downloaded and kept it to any PDF viewer. So here it comes just like page by page. All the pages are shown and the entire file is created. Okay, it's actually very convenient and very easy to do so, nothing very difficult about it. So that is how we can do it. Okay. Thank you.